Alam mo ba na the most effective form of motivation is progress? Isa to sa nabasa ko galing sa book na Atomic Habits. Lost no time. Be always employed in something useful and avoid trifling conversation. Gawin mo na habang maaga pa yung mga bagay na hindi mo dapat pagsisihan bandang huli. This is how important the habit tracker is. Related sa activity ko kahapon dito sa ARC project, nakalagay kasi sa rules na exercise for at least 60 minutes daily. And to be honest, I failed. I only did it for 40 minutes. Naipit kasi ako sa traffic kaya late na nakauwi. Di ko alam kung pasok to pero lagpas naman siya at least 50%. Anyways, ito yung hindi ko napaghandaan. Kapag pinilit ko kasing habulin yung 20 minutes, mahahagip naman yung next activity ko which is 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Bukod doon, hindi pa din ako nakapag-record ng video. Di natin pwedeng baliwalain yan kasi your sleep is your accountability partner. Ganun pa man, nasa proseso kasi tayo eh. Be honest to yourself and trust the process. Habit tracking also keeps you honest. And measurement offers one way. Ito yung pagiging honest mo sa sarili mo gamit yung habit tracker. No need to cheat kasi nagbibuild tayo ng self-improvement pero ako mismo yung sisira sa rules. So, hindi pwede yun. And yes, since wala naman tong rule kagaya nung 75 hard na back to zero kapag hindi natapos, I think 40 minutes is still productive and pasok pa naman siya. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na okay lang maulit, no? No. Remember na sarili mo palagi ang kalaban mo. And yeah, that's it for today. And balitaan ko kayo siguro bukas kung anong update kasi tinanong ko na siya sa GC or sa Discord. So again, this is day 28 of Project 6 Figure Income. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace!